Hey you guys, and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan Show. I'm Christa Clark and I'm happy to be with you. For the past week, my parents have been in town and we had a really fun time going around. We celebrated my birthday, we celebrated my mom's birthday. This week we're making cookies. I shared a picture of these cookies on my story and it was requested to share the recipe. So I'm going to tell you how to make these. This is a delicious cookie base and today I'm going to put a little bit of chocolate in mine. Maybe you want pecans, maybe you want peanuts, maybe you want macadamia nuts. So you could put in your favorite fillings. This is just what I'm going to do. I made these for our friends before and they gobbled them right up. Everyone really liked these cookies. They're really delicious. Here's everything you're going to need for the recipe. You'll want some gluten-free oats. You'll want some coconut sugar. You could also use maple syrup or your favorite. You'll want some sorghum flour, rice flour, and potato starch. You've also got some baking soda, some cinnamon, and salt. And then you can use just oil or just nut butter or a mixture of both. To get started, mix your dry ingredients together. Rice flour, potato starch, sorghum flour, coconut sugar, oats, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Add your favorite dried fruit. I'm going to chop up some chocolate. Into that, you'll just want to add your oil or your nut butter and a little bit of water and give that a mix until it comes together. 8 big scoops or as big of cookies as you want. You can make them smaller and bake those for about 10 minutes or until they're golden and cool them slightly and enjoy. In the end, you end up with these delicious, big, wonderful cookies that you can eat, and they're vegan and gluten-free, and they're absolutely delicious. I think you're really gonna like this recipe. You can get it over at artisticvegan.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye. Please visit my Artistic Vegan web store where you can purchase the always popular alchemical elixirs and Starfire Gold, colloidal silver to boost your immune system, as well as our books with new products on the horizon. Gravity Body Academy courses, yoga classes, meal plans, and more can be accessed through premium. If you're a member of Gerald's and want to join, you can use the grandfather option in our store for only $39 a year, a $60 savings. Purchasing our products and services enables Gerald and I to continue serving the community. Thank you for your support. Nourish and hydrate your hair with the newest Artistic Vegan lavender and avocado oil shampoo. 100% organic, natural, and safe for the whole family.